Hey guys, how are you? I hope everyone will be fine at your home in this pandemic situation and you are taking care of yourself and your family members. Nowadays, whatever time is going on, this is very critical time for us, not only for us, for whole world. This is very critical time, but we have to do our work and we have to utilize our time in a best way. That's why I am bringing this type of video for you people to increase your knowledge and my knowledge also. So in the last video I discussed that there are some obstacles in the development of the country, and in that I told you first that was the population of the country. First, we have to control our population, then only we can apply all the policies just like as education policy came. So 100% if we want to apply, then population policy should also bring in India. My second point is here unemployment. In India, we have lot of problem about the unemployment. Very critical time at the time of Corona. This is really many people are facing lot of problem. So behind that reason is that we have more population. That's why we have problem of unemployment. So when we will control or we will bring policy on population, then definitely in the coming time unemployment ratio will decrease. And today I to every people just focus on these 2 points, and I have two more points to discuss with you. We will deduct all these things, then only we will become developed country in future. Otherwise, we will face continuously problem in the path of the development. And for the guys, I want to say that knowledge is the only thing that no one can take it away from you. So increase your knowledge in a right way at a right time so you can get success at a right time, because time never comes back. So understand the use of time, and with this point, I brought one new topic for you people, that is a bank. And every competitive exam mostly it comes what is a bank. So in that bank, I brought you what is a bank, how many types of banks are there, what are the functions of bank, and when it was nationalized. So with this, let's start. What is a bank? So here we can see picture of a bank. So in this video, I will discuss with you what is a bank, what are the functions of bank, what are the types of banks, and what is nationalization of bank. Why bank is called as backbone of economy? Now we will understand it. First, we will understand what is a bank. So bank is a financial institution which deals with money and credit. It accept deposit from the public and make the funds available to those who need them. It means banks take deposit from us and gives loan to those who needed it. Now we keep our money in the bank. Behind that some reason will be there. So reason is that because bank gives us interest. So our money increases in the form of interest. Now, there are six functions of a bank. First one is accepting deposit. Second one is advancing loans. Third one is credit creation. Fourth one is promoting check system. Fifth one is agency functions. And sixth one is general utility function. Now, one by one, we understand what is function of accepting deposit. Now, it has four important functions. First one is fixed deposit account. Second one is current deposit account. Third one is saving deposit account. And fourth one is recurring deposit account. Now, what is fixed deposit account? In this, we keep our money in the bank only once for a fixed period of time. And at that time when we will keep a deposit rate of interest on the maturity period. It means If rate of interest for a year is 6% or 7%, so we will get 7% rate of interest. Now, our second is the current deposit system. Mostly it is useful for the businessmen because daily they deposit money in the bank and they withdraw money from the bank. So this is very useful for the businessmen, and in the exam mostly it comes. For whom current deposit account is useful. Third one is saving deposit account. This is mostly useful for the salary holder, those who hold salary. Now last one is the recurring deposit system. It is useful for whom those who can't deposit big amount once. So for them recurring deposit system is there. In that monthly we can deposit some amount of money in the bank, and after 1 year or after 2 year we can get that money back from the bank with rate of interest. Now, what is advancing of loans? As we know, bank takes money from us and gives loans to public. So there are five types. First one is money at call, cash credit, overdraft, discounting of bill of exchange, and term loan. Now, what is credit creation? Credit creation is the process from which bank takes money and turns it into loan. This is in the next video we will understand with example how credit creation helps to bank. And next one function is promoting check system. As everyone knows that check is very important. With check no need to take money with us, so there is no fear of loss. Now what is a agency function? Bank also plays an important role in the way of agent. Just like is purchase and sale of securities uh, by the bank for customers from company. Second is collection of payment of credit instrument. This function is also done by the bank. And third one is collection of dividend on shares. And fourth one, bank also provides tax consultancy to its customers. Now, next function is general utility functions. There are many functions, but I brought here only 3 points. First one is locker facility. As we know that mostly banks provide locker facility to its customers. Now, next one is letter of credit. Letter of credit is given by the bank to its customer for a specific purpose. And gift check. Gift check is also facility provided by bank to its customers. Now very important point to think. Bank never goes anywhere for work, then also it earns profit. How? Now we will see ahead. Because it deposits money from the public at low rate of interest, and same deposits it converts into loan through credit creation and charges high rate of interest from public. It means it takes deposit from the public and same deposit it gives to public in the form of loan through credit creation. Credit creation is the process through which it converts deposit into loan. So the difference between interest of deposit and loan is profit of bank. For example, we will get 6 or 7% rate of interest from bank, but when we will go to take loan from the bank at that time, we have to pay 10%, 12% rate of interest to bank. So the difference between 6 and 12 is the profit of the bank. Now, what are the types of banks? Now, RBI scheduled bank is divided into two parts, commercial banks and cooperative banks. Now, commercial bank is divided into four parts, public sector bank, private sector bank, foreign banks, and regional rural banks. Now, cooperative banks is also divided into two parts: urban cooperative bank and state cooperative. Now, here in this slide, we can see first one is given here Ministry of Finance and then RBI. Both are related with each other. With this newspaper, we will see this is the newspaper of 14th August 2020 in the Dainik Jagran. Now, here it is written Sarkar ko milega Bharti Reserve Bank ka sahara. It means Ministry of Finance and RBI both are related with each other. RBI gives time to time guidelines to Ministry of Finance and also take guidelines from Ministry of Finance. Now, what is nationalization of bank? First, we will understand what is nationalization. So, the process of transferring ownership and operational rights of a bank from private or trust to the government of the country. It means rights will be transferred from the private sector or person to government. This is called as nationalize of bank. It means ownership transfers from private banks to the government of India. Now, one question comes, mostly it comes in the competitive exam, just like as NET and other BCom, MCom, when banks were nationalized in India. So, in India, 14 leading banks were nationalized on July 19, 1969, and each one deposit was more than rupees 50 crore. In the exam, they asked what is the date of the nationalization of Bank of India. Now, this is the picture. It shows that online banking, how it is important nowadays, because online banking saves our time, money, and energy. At any time, we can transfer money, we can receive money, we can transfer to any account, we can purchase shares, bonds, whatever we want to do at home. So, it saves our time, money, and energy. So guys, if you like my this video, then like it and subscribe it so that you will get notification in the your mobile first. And in the next video, I will present you with new topic. And press I button which is appear on the top of the screen. Thank you.